I usually keep a stack of photos, reference photos, I download off the internet, with different features. Just famous people, somewhat. I think that's Garfield, president. This other guy's some kind of a Norwegian mountaineering guy. Flynn, I think that's the guy's name. He's political. Anyway, I got all kinds of pictures. Just for reference. Usually want to get like a 3/4 view like that. Got female faces. They're all upside down. Other sculptor, this guy's a German dude. His name Messerschmitt. Josh Brolin. Yeah, it's a good thing just to collect a bunch of different pictures. Working on this little wood spirit here. Little pine knot I found. I'll show you here. Quick way to start a rough out like that. You can make a bunch of them real quick and then add details in later. Real simple. Basically, you go across the top of the brow, gouge out the eyes, then punch in the nostrils and work your way down. You don't even have to show the mouth, just use a beard thing. Anyway, I'll have a video coming out pretty soon. This is just like a preview of what I'm doing. I've been traveling quite a bit. Went to the desert in Nevada. Nothing up here, man. We're at the top.